Hi, this is Sir Pandey from Civil Engineering, and today we are going to discuss about a very important phenomenon, which is known as the working phenomenon of sprayer or atomizer. In your daily day-to-day life, I'm sure that you would have encountered at least one example where you would have seen atomizer or sprayer, as we can see here, even in your perfumes or somewhere washing cars and all. There is always a phenomenon behind sprayer. And a simple question that can come in your mind is that how this spray is going to work, exactly how it is working, what is the principle behind it. So today we are going to discuss about the fluid mechanics phenomena behind working of atmosphere. Before going to it, as I have given a very small intro about it, let's get into a big intro, like what it is, actually what atomizer is. So as far as the video is concerned, we can see it is simply a sprayer which sprays the water. Atomizer means that it is a device that used to emit liquid droplets as fire. It emits liquid droplet in a very higher speeds. So it takes the droplets from the some source. There will be some source. As we can see, there is a pipe where in this atomizer, and that pipe, what this pipe does, this pipe takes water and behind some there are some behind phenomena of the fluid which makes it so, and that's what we are going to learn, that how this phenomena is making this water to lift up, and this water lifting up is going to sparkle that water in a small droplets like atoms. That's why it is called atomizer. So let's get into the theory, like how, what is the principle behind the working of this food. So we know our all favorite Bernoulli equation is the principle behind the working of an atomizer. Let's get into a very quick review of what Bernoulli equation says. Bernoulli equation says that whenever a fluid is incompressible and it is having a velocity, a pressure head, it means it has having some velocity, some pressure at some instant of points. Then the sum of all heads, like pressure heads, velocity heads, and the datum head, that will be a constant. Like at every point, it will be same. Sum will be same. So on the basis of this, we can conclude that if we are working on the same height levels, then pressure and velocity are the sum of pressure and velocity is constant. Some quantity correlating the pressure and velocity is constant. That means that if we increase the pressure, the velocity should have to decrease, and if we increase the velocity, the pressure should have to decrease. This is the phenomenon that is being used. Let's understand. So here we can see there is a rubber home. This rubber home, or there can be some phenomena, there can be some mechanism that can press that atomizer, and there is a fluid. Uh, Let me draw it. So we can see that there is a rubber arm here, and this is a rubber arm here. There is fluid inside it, and there is nozzle. This nozzle basically works to separate the fluid drops, liquid drops that are coming from this side. So what happens actually? Whenever we press this rubber home or whenever we press that plunger, actually a very high velocity of air is being created. But we know that the pressure at the start was P atm, here also atmospheric pressure, as well as the pressure at every point was P atm, atmospheric pressure. But since this velocity has become very high due to the work done by an agent, external agent has done some work, and the velocity of the fluid has become, the velocity of air that was trapped inside it has become very high. So now what is going to happen? The pressure, as we said, that velocity has increased. That means that pressure will be going down. Pressure will be going down, right? So pressure is going down here. So it is not P atm. Let's say this pressure is P, then it will be less than P atm, right? So, and we know that the pressure inside this point is also atmospheric pressure. But now the pressure here has become P, that is less than atmospheric pressure. So eventually what will happen? This will eventually work in terms, like, because we know that the fluid always flow from upper higher pressure to lower pressure, and the pressure has become lower here. So that's why, and that's how this water will go up, and this will go this side because of the water, this because of that wind velocity, and this air velocity will drag this fluid here, and once there is nozzle, and we already know that nozzle will break the liquid fluid droplets into little small droplets that we can see here. That's how a basic principle of sprayer is being used. And spray is not a very simple thing. Sprayer is nowadays being used in the industry in very bigger parts. But however big the sprayer is, the basic phenomena is being the same everywhere. The modifications are being used in the sprayer. Lot of things are being used, but the same phenomena behind working of this is the our all-time favorite beloved Bernoulli theorems. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video has added something to your knowledge. Thank you very much.